So now let's see how we can add selected text as notes inside of Microsoft Outlook. So over here you can see that under inbox I have some emails. So I'm just going to go around and open out some emails right here. So let's just go around and open out this email right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and select out this particular text right here. And let's say I want to add it in my OneNote note. In that case, I can simply select it, and over here you can see that add note is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then it gets added in my OneNote, as you can see, and I can further format it on the side. So now this is added in my OneNote feed, and if I were to click on back, this is my OneNote, as you can see right here. Along with my previous notes, you can see right here. I can go around and select out other text as well. So you can go around and select out, let's say for example, I can go around over here and select this text out right here. You want to add it as a note, then whatever pops up, you can click on add note, and it is added as a note for future use, as you can see right here. And that is how you can add selected text to notes, that is to OneNotes from Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.